Good evening everybody, welcome to another edition of Beer Dad Reviews. Me, Dave the Beer Dad. Now today we're crossing England from Liverpool to Hull, from one coast to another, and we're going to the Atom Brewery from Malmo Road in Hull, and we are looking at their Quantum State. It's a 4.2 session IPA. I'd say I've looked at these before. I did their Schrodinger's Cat beer. I thought it was really nice. So the side says brewed at Atom Brewing Company, Unit 4, Food and Tech Park, Malmo Road, Hull, which is what I've already said. The science of brewing. A quantum state is a vector that contains all the information about a system. A quantum state provides a probability distribution for the value of each observable, i.e., for the outcome of each possible measurement of a system. If a particle and antiparticle are in appropriate quantum states, then they can annihilate, and mass can be converted into energy, e.g. electron plus position equals 2 gamma ray photons. The end of the science lesson. Let's have a little look at what it is. So it's best before 19th of April 2018. So let's pop it up, see what it's like. I've not had this before. Whoa! I bought this out of Asda as part of their 4 for £6 range a few months back. Well, about a month ago. So it has been sat there in the fridge. I just got around to doing it. I'm looking forward to doing this actually. So I said the Schrodinger's Cat was absolutely delicious, if I remember correctly. So before we look at that, no, let's tell you what. No, let's look at the beer first, then we look at the can. So there we go. Slightly hazy, bit of a chill haze on it. Straw yellow, 3.5 of very white, very rocky head. Not too much going on inside of the bubbles. So it's, I would say this is hazy, it's not chill hazy, it's just a hazy beer. I know for a fact that this does contain Cascade, Centennial, Columbus and Chinook and Citra hops, and I also know that it's pale malts, and I also know that it's also oats in this one as well. So let's try and get all of the can in here. Okay, so let's go nose. Give it to the head. I didn't taste. It's a little bit fruity. A little bit citrusy. Not a lot though. Other than that, there's not much going on the nose. Let's get a taste. All the flavours are really subtle. Carbonation is really light. It's there, but it just tickles you and then it disappears. Body it's a light body. In fact, if I was anything, I'd say it was probably watery. Finish is a little fruity, a little zesty, grapefruity. Not massively grapefruity. Watermelony as well. Can't taste any malts at all. It's refreshing, certainly refreshing. It's very clean. It's very sessionable, this one. A 4.2, it's not too bad actually. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I probably would. Would I recommend it to friends? Certainly recommend it to friends. I like the Schrodinger's Cat more. It's not a bad little beer actually. Doesn't bring much to the table, as I say. All the flavours are just nice and subtle. It's not overpowered with citrus and overpowered with malts. It's just nice. It's a good little, as it says on the can, session IPA. It doesn't blow your socks off, but it's okay. It's a little bit watery though, a little bit lackluster on the palate. If it was a bit more punchy, it'd be really nice. But okay, 4.2. It's not too bad. A little bit underwhelmed, really, I think. I don't know what I was expecting, whether I was expecting some brilliance from them or not. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah. It's okay. Now I know. So I've just been thinking about this while I've been drinking this. I've gone from being, it's a little bit lackluster, it's okay, it's a good beer. It's a good beer. It's a good sessionable IPA. If it had a bit more punch to it, it would be great. It would be really, really nice. But as I say, at 4.2, it's not bad. You can session that quite easily. It's not offensive. It's refreshing. It's nice and clean. It just and for me, it just needs a little bit more flavour. There's not much more I can say about it really. I'll put as I normally do, the brewery link below. Yeah. I think that's another one. I'm to give it another go. I might come back to this one and re-review this one on a later date. Excuse me. Anyway, so moving on. Would I buy it again? I would buy it again. I would recommend it to friends. I'd like to have that as at a party, at a barbecue, and see how it goes. As session IPA goes, it's pretty good. As I say, it's clean, it's refreshing. It just needs a bit more punch to me, a bit more flavour. But it is what it is. So if you've had this beer, you want to put a comment underneath, feel free. I've got a few I'm going to do today. I'm going to try and get through a few. Hopefully I'll get through another 2 or 3 and we'll go from there. So yeah, I'll see you all on the next one. So hail ale everybody. Hail ale.